Hey, welcome to Jimmy's Hammond channel with the Roland Phantom 8. We're going to just test the tone out with Ozzy's Osbourne No More Tears. Just going to play some parts at random. We're not playing like the whole song, so don't expect the song to be like you normally hear. I'm putting pieces in that has that keyboard sound. So let's just see how it sounds. Okay. We'll go. Well, I think that's got the sound we're probably looking for to play that song. So thank you to Jimmy, and we'll try more tones later. Goodbye.